The name Milan is kind of like my alter ego. I have always needed to have an imaginary identity where I can hide from reality.
Oh, cool.
In that world, everything is perfect. Problems get solved quite easily.
Nice.
So when I am
Like my real life. No kidding.
yeah, so I always have this false kind of like fake identity which I fall back on whenever I need to. I'm a Lolita princess because I like bows and princess dress, pretty things like that. I have 2 tulips right here because my son gave me a tulip bouquet yesterday for Mother's Day. And I have a little purse because I make handbag myself. And I love bows. And I love the soil because flowers grow on soil. And I love the rain because I have been traumatized by many droughts that we experienced in the Bay Area. It was so dry, I had to give up my garden because we're not allowed to water. So I love the rain.
Nice.
Okay, so this page right here basically says who I am. I have always wanted to be a ballerina, but never quite made it. I wasn't good enough.
Wow.
This is my dream birthday cake. All creamy pink roses. It looks silly, but this is something I would love to have for my birthday. I have always wanted to go on an RV trip to Route 66, but never find the time to. And I wasn't sure if that is just an excuse. You couldn't find the time to do something, but the reality is, I think you're just saying that to yourself, so it's not happening. Okay, I'm a radio show host. That's my job. So
Nice.
Here's my microphone. All right. And this page basically kind of shows my how I feel on a daily basis.
Wow.
I'm a show host. I'm also my media company also has the Stop the Hate grant, which I work on. And I have picked this image because this woman is using a microphone to voice in, whatever that she's feeling unfair or, agony, that sort of thing. I have interviewed many victims of hate, and they tell me their personal stories. And sometimes I feel helpless to help them, even though I want to help them.
Right.
So I wrote down right here, I wish I have a magic wand. I can just touch something to make it right. I got a garbage can lining here because I also operate an Airbnb, which I clean myself. So,
Oh no.
and that's the reason why I feel like I'm one person. Sometimes I feel like I'm one person trying to tow a car by myself. That's how heavy a load I'm carrying on my shoulder, but I'm fighting every day to make things happen. So I'm a Energizer bunny.
Yeah.
So I can keep going, even though I'm exhausted.
Wow.
I found pictures of things I love to eat. I love chicken leg, I love broccoli, I love avocado. Anything with avocado, it's just, I love pasta. So this is my food page, comfort food. And I found this photograph, it was a spot on. She looked like my mama.
Oh, wow.
And she's in swimsuit in the water. She looked very happy. We actually just came back from a mini vacation to Hawaii, to Big Island, and I took my mom there. So we were playing in the water, and we were visiting places, and we saw the sea turtle. And I want to go back to Hawaii again to visit the sea turtles.
That's dope.
Yeah, so
Thank
that's
you.
kind of like my little book.
Oh my God, I appreciate you sharing that so much. Amazing.